Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right net and checking hardware. A 610 FT net covers most inshore fish. Inspect the handline, leader knots and spoke integrity so nothing fails during the cast. Stand square to the water with your dominant foot slightly forward, grip the horn and arrange the net in hand-friendly coils. Once done, hold a 1/3 section in your throwing hand and sweep the remaining net across your chest. This setup gives an even, circular spread on release. Now you execute a full, fluid cast. Swing your arm across and release at shoulder height so the net opens into a wide circle. You want the lead line to hit the water just above the depth where fish are holding. That timing matters for entrapment. After release, follow through with your arm and step forward to flatten the net, preventing it from folding on impact. Make sure to keep tension on the handline. Closing the net quickly seals fish under the lead weights. Pull the handline with steady, controlled motion so the lead weights draw inward and the net closes beneath the catch. A quick shake moves fish toward the center. Once aboard, empty the catch promptly and inspect the net for tears, broken leads, or tangles. Repair small holes with twine immediately. If the net failed to open, check the horn, splice, and packing pattern. Repack with an offset coil. This fixes most misthrows. Practice rhythm and adjust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.